Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammed Wasi and today in this video I will show you how to get a mortgage in Australia. To get a mortgage in Australia, you'll need to generally need to follow these steps. Decide if you want to use a broker to explore your options. Check you qualify with the FIRB. Choose a bank with a mortgage that suit your needs. Hand over the paperwork requested and get mortgage pre-approval. How to get a home loan, a beginner's guide. You need to be a permanent Australian resident and at least 18 years old. You need to buy a new or a current house as an individual. Why is it so hard to get a loan in Australia? Bigger deposits is required to contract greater borrowing risk due to decline in home prices in Australia major cities. Whereas don't need to borrow as much for a given property, we should make it easier to get a loan. However, falling prices create a great risk for the banks. 11 steps in buying a house. Buying a home can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By following these 11 steps, you can make the process as easy and painless. 10 tips for Australian experts needing to get a mortgage. Deposit requirements. Generally, all Australian banks will provide an Australian expert a bank mortgage if you're able to provide 30% deposit. Buying a house. Moneysmart.gov.au. Find the best home loan rate when you're looking for a good deal on a home loan mortgage. What to consider for getting a mortgage. Paper Money AU. Thinking of applying for a mortgage next year. Here are the top 6 important things to think about to help your chances of getting your home loan approved. Buying a house or an apartment. Here's how to lenders calculate how much there. The Australian Prudential and Regulation Authority (APRA) directed to banks 2 years ago to tighten their loan test to ensure financial. Mortgage in Australia. Everything overseas. The Australia mortgage system. To secure a mortgage in Australia, you will need to enter Australian resident. Everything you need to know about mortgages. Loans.com.au. It is very important to understand mortgage before choosing the home loan that is right for you. Here you can find out how mortgage works. Australia's best mortgages. Rates from 1.67. Getting a mortgage for a property in Australia. A place in the sun. No deposit home loans, can you get one? Cancer. Active home loan manager. Online mortgage broker, Loans and mortgages. sa.gov.au. How to calculate how much you can afford to borrow. An overview of the common type of loans, an explanation of common words or terms you will. Home loan application process. Documents and information needed. NAB. When you apply for a home loan with NAB, we ask you for information such as proof of income and details of your assets. See a full list here. 8 things you need to get a home loan. Home loans. Realestate.com.au. We explore what the differences they'll make on your loan application. First, income. First and foremost, a lender will want to know that you have the applying for a home loan, CommBank. See what details you need to provide to help get a home loan with CommBank, or have on hand your photo identification such as your Australian driver's license. Mortgages. Home loan HSBC expert. Mortgages for experts. It can be difficult getting a mortgage if you are non-UK residents and you receive your salary in a foreign currency or a lack of UK credit history. Mashriq home loan. Compare home loans. Compare the market. Home loans mortgage brokers go straight to the OC. Property in Australia. International services. HSBC Australia. Before applying for a mortgage, first determine what you can afford and what your 4557 visa status and non-residents eligible to purchase an Australian property. How much do you really need for a home deposit? Suncorp. The best home loans in Australia for 2021. Get ready to compare interest rate and other top home loan features. It just so happens that Australia's best home loans have just been approved. Home loan options and comparison. A and Z. Get on top of the home buying process with our flexible home loans mortgage calculators and expert tools. Talk to us when you're ready or make the leap. Keystart. keystart.com.au. Low deposit home loans. Make your home ownership dream like a reality. Keystart's low deposit, no LMI home loans lower the entry barriers so you can get into your home sooner. Home Loans Bank Australia. The Bank Australia basic home loan offers a competitive interest rate and flexible. Our bridging home loan will help you get into your new home before your. What credit scores do you need to get a loan? An Express Mortgage Market Australia. NIR home loan. Buying a property in Australia, world's first. Make sure you are thieves through buying for best property portals scoring your mortgage. We have got you covered. Home loans. How much can you borrow? Regional Australia Bank. Get the help you need. Our home loans and mortgages suit first timers, investor renovation, and those looking to get a better rate. Rams.com.au Australia. Rams. Find the home loan that suits you. Rams offer tailored home loans adapted to your situation. Find your local home Rams loan center. How 2021 impacted Australia property prices. How long do you have to be at a job to get a mortgage? How long do I have to be in my current job before I can apply for a new home loan? Home loans for dummies Australia. A guide to get a mortgage terminology in Australia. First, factors such as purchase price or whether it's an investment property can affect the fee. But if you are a first home buyer, most states do offer concessions to find out. Lending options for non-resident property investors in Australia. Looking to buy a home in Australia from overseas? Talk to the team at Mortgage Express. We can help you find the options for finance as a non-UK resident. No deposit home loans. What do you need to know? echoice.com.au. Home Loans Australia. Compare home loans, mortgages, I select. A simple guide to lending criteria of home loans. Finder. Know what you look for and what to avoid to help you get a loan. Alternative will want to know whether you're not a permanent resident of Australia. Home loans. Loans to get you loan. FME Bank Australia. Mortgage House. The personal home loan experts Australia. Mortgage House was Australia's trusted and fastest growing major non-bank loan lenders. We offer a range of products including home loan, business loans, home start home loan, home finance. We'll get you started with little as 5% deposit with less upfront cost.